these elections are going to be very different from all other elections happened in the past. These are going to surprise everyone because for the first time in UP there's going to be a party which is talking about real issues like electricity, unemployment and many things which have not been touched by any party since last 20-25 years. So there is a lot of vacuum of these kind of politics in UP, and Aam Aadmi Party is the day Aam Aadmi Party announced that it is going to fight in elections on 15 December. Everybody was surprised that the government which was talking about love jihad and all these kind of issues started talking about schools and challenged our education minister that you come to the Uttar Pradesh and see that our schools are better than Delhi. Well, we accepted that and we were really happy to see that government which never spoke about school and hospital that was talking about them. At least they came to the real issue, and with this agenda Aam Aadmi Party is going to contest and the results are going to be surprise. I am very thankful that in the beginning of the debate you did not list us among the 5 main challenges to the UP, because we are not among those 5. We are going to take these elections to the very core issue of the people, that unemployment, corona mismanagement, corona scams, then this health infrastructure collapse, education infrastructure collapse. The election is going to be very different this time.
Vaibhav, all of you are seeing yourself as the alternative to the BJP. You are a very fragmented opposition. A fragmented opposition is good for Yogi.
Because I deny because we are the only fearless voice that is actually daring to speak.
Everybody says that.
It's management, it's mismanagement, the crime happening here, the FIR.
So you have made Yogi the issue.
Journalists, the FIR happening on everybody who is speaking against.
You know, she must be laughing away because everyone, including Rajbhar, thinks that he's
of the Yogi, mismanagement of the government is going to be the issue. Of course, the pain given by Yogi to the people of UP is going to be the issue. The times are very different because the time 2014 UP was seeing some other government. Now the UP has already seen 7 years of Narendra Modi ji and 4 years of Yogi ji, and after that UP has seen these 2 big pandemic, disaster. उसको भी debate कर लेंगे, लेकिन let me answer to the question what UP is going to see. Let me reply to the question what UP is going through. Let me reply to the question where what UP is going through. UP has gone through 2 big corona pandemic where people have lost their jobs. At least, please let me speak. सर मुझे बोल लेने दीजिए. यूपी ने 2 बड़ी
10 seconds.
देखने के बाद में यूपी के लोगों ने बिजनेस और जॉब्स खोई हैं. यूपी is under a deep financial trouble. Deep financial depression people are going through. So it is BJP versus all. When you say BJP versus all, now it is BJP versus all.
It so happened